get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my hand.
What's your warm welcome to country? How are we all doing? Nice to have you all on board, you lovelies. Right, this is the annual announcement of where we're going this year. As you know, Country Vanlife UK is quite unique in what we do. I don't think there's any other channels, van channels or whatever, or even travel channels that go to these islands in the winter like I have done for the last 4 or 5 years and spend 6 months on the island, whichever island it may be. We've done quite a few. They're all in my playlist, all the islands we've been to. They're all Scottish islands. They've all been Hebridean islands. And where we're going to this year, Country Vanlife Season Series. I think this is number 6 or number 7. It might be number 7. I think it's number 7. Winter in Season Series number 7 on Country Vanlife UK. And I'm really looking forward to this one. This is going to be a big one, folks, because everything that's gone on the last year, since my heart attack and various things that's happened over the last 5-6 months, it's all been a bit traumatic. We've had a lovely time on the East Coast. I've showed you all my ventures on the East Coast. You know, I'll keep you ticking with me, watching everything that I do on YouTube, and everywhere I go we've had some lovely adventures on the East Coast while I've been over this way. The MOT worked out fine this year, brilliant. Really thankful for that one. It was only £100 fix for the van this year, which was amazing. I've done some adaptations to the van. I'll just briefly show you those now, not many, but here we go. Guys, here I am on top of Christine. We're doing some modifications to get a few more watts on. I'll just turn the camera around. Going on top of Christine. Just putting some extra power on top of the van, ready for the this new winter series. We've got 600 over there. We've got 240 here. And the ones I'm installing on the front there is another 240 solid panels there, just wiring them all up in series. So we'll end up having over 1,000 watts of solar power on the van. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12 panels in total. Well over 1,000 watts incoming to power all my power stations. Lovely. Right, you lovelies, that's the extra panels put up. So we've got, I think it's around about 1,100 watts up there now, which will power my two times 2 kilowatt power stations, winter time. So lovely jubbly. I've had some extras on as well. The horns that I collected on the, I think it was the Isle of Skye or Galloway, unfortunately one of them broke off and disappeared, even though they were cable tied on and glued on. So I've replaced them with skulls now. Still got the ram skull at the top. So we've lost the horns. I may find some more on my travels when we go back to Scotland. Lovely jubbly. Add a few extras on the van as well. Besides the skulls, got a few logos on the van as well. Lovely jubbly. I've also added a new bar light, side light. Can you see that white strip going across there? That's a new strip light, kind of parking light. I'll show you that on in a minute. It comes on when these lights are on, for when I'm driving. Lovely jubbly. Got a new skull on the windscreen there as well, and a few new tags on the van. Lovely jubbly. I've got some reflectors as well that I've put on the van. Just red reflectors. Don't really can see them there in the corners, there and there. Just go around the side of Christine. It's a reflector up there. Lovely jubbly. And there's another reflector there, and around the back of Christine. There you go. And at the back as well, we've got reflectors going across the top and down the sides. There, lovely jubbly. And also reflectors at the bottom. So we'll be seen in the dark. Lovely. and a few new tags around the side of the van as well. Got another skull there, lovely job, like. And that's my adaptations for this coming winter's trip up in the Hebridean Islands for 6 months. Right, it's crack on. Right, I'll just turn my side lights on, my auxiliary lights. Those are on. Lovely job, like. Great side pristine. Show you the front. You won't see it very well in the daylight, but of a night time it's really bright. So you've got the orange ones there. You can see the bar light going across the bottom there. It's really bright in the dark. That light there, it's a strip light and it works an absolute dream. Just sticks in there, that's all. And just wired it up to my auxiliary lights. So that's pretty cool, eh? Lovely. So you'll see me coming. Nice. Those are the latest upgrades for the van, so we can get a bit more power in winter, so I don't have to keep turning my engine on every couple of days to power up. Hopefully we'll get a bit more solar, even in winter you don't get much. But we've got 1100 watts up there now, so even in a dull day we should pull something in, which is lovely. So that's gonna be interesting how that turns out. So I'm really looking forward to this adventure this year. It's going to be a special one. It's going to be another epic adventure. Go to my playlist and watch all the adventures in the past, all the 5 months on the islands we spent. Because as I say, the channel is unique in what we do. And we settle into the islands, we get to know the locals, we could become one of the natives as much as we can in 6 months. We explore every single corner of the islands, every loch, every beach, every mountain, every walk, every historical site. But where are we going? Where are we going this year? I think a lot of you know or have guessed, may have guessed, but there's quite a few that don't. We've had a lot of subscribers recently leading up to this new adventure, which is lovely. Always get lots of subscribers when we go on these epic adventures to the Scottish wintering isles. There's going to be some dramas. There's always dramas on country. There's always something that kicks off big time. But it's all real life, folks, you know. It's all real. Those that watch me, you know, it's all real life. It's as it happens with country. I'm going to try and get as many videos out as I can. Hopefully the signal's going to be half decent where we're going. I'll let you know in a minute where we're going. The big announcement. But we're going to have some fun. We're going to have some fun on this one. I'm really looking forward to it. I really need to chill out. It'll take me about a week, 2 weeks to settle into island life and settle into my routine of this 6 months on an island. Or is it more than one island? Oh, back at you. While I was running that video, filming that video, I had a flash come up on my screen. Oh, I've been on YouTube a long time. I've had 3 or 4 channels. You know, some of them have been big channels and some have not been done that well, but they've always been popular. And this is my 4th channel, I think, over the last 10 years. And this channel's been running 5 years, is it? I think it's 5 years the channel's been running. And I've just had a little flash come up on the screen. We've just hit 10,000 subscribers. It's absolutely bonkers. I think it's the video that I did, Scotland Saved My Life. It went a bit viral, well, not viral, but I got more views than ever I've done on a video for a long time. And I got a lot of traction from that with the help of AdSense, YouTube, Google AdSense as well. And we got a lot of traction from that. Unbelievable. I don't believe it. I just saw it on the screen. I'll have to go into my analytics and have a look. 10,000 subscribers on Country Vanlife UK. Whoopie doody. Time for a party. What I'll do, when we get to the island, I'm going to do a special 10,000 subscriber giveaway for 2 lucky people. 2 lovely prizes on our 10,000 subscriber giveaway on Country Vanlife UK. That'll be when we're on the island. So keep a watch on the videos. Don't forget to tick the notification box, make sure you subscribe and all that good stuff, so you'll see all the videos that's coming. 10,000 subscribers, blimey O'Reilly, that's a good milestone. Next one's 100. Can we get to 100? That'd be nice, wouldn't it? But you never know. It's hard on YouTube these days. It really is hard to grow. But hopefully, you know, thanks every single one of you for taking the time for comments, all your lovely comments. A lot of you have been there from day one. I really, from the bottom of my heart, I really appreciate it. Every single comment, every single subscriber, and every single person that views my channel. Can't believe it. Can't believe it. That has made my day. 10,000 subscribers on country. Wow. Love it. Again, guys, thanks every single one of you for taking your time to look at what we're doing on country and sharing my life with me on Country Van Life UK. Blimey O'Reilly. Cheers. Celebration drink. 10,000 subscribers. Who'd have bloody well believed it. Like that. Right, my lovelies, we've been down on the east coast for the summer, as you know, with the MOT, some lovely camps. I will be driving back to Birmingham, across the east coast towards the Midlands. We'll stop off at Cambridge for my usual cup of coffee and Greg's sausage roll, then we'll rock on to Birmingham. I'll pop in and see my lovely children, Lisa, Kirsty, Stephen, and my grandchildren for a couple of days, and then I'll start hitting the road north. After a couple of nights we'll hit the roads heading north up the dreaded M6. Lovely jubbly, away we go, and up towards the east coast of England. We'll probably have a couple of camps here as usual, down in Lancaster way. Then we'll be heading for the borders. I'll pop into my lovely Galloway. We had a winter series there as well, which was gorgeous a couple of years ago, 6 months. Then after a couple of days in Galloway, we'll head up into Glasgow, into the Lowlands. Lovely jubbly, up the east coast of Scotland, heading into the Highlands now, and we're going to skip across through all the beautiful locks there, and we're going to take the lovely bridge across to the Isle of Skye. The magical Isle of Skye, where I spent a winter there many years ago, and I'll have some camps there as well. We'll head up to Hugz, catch the ferry, and we'll take their lovely ferry, the 2-hour trip over to the Isles of Harris and Lewis in the Upper Hebrides. Lovely jubbly. We'll get the ferry across to Talbot, and we'll start our magical journey on all the archipelago islands over in the Western Isles. We'll catch the ferry in and away we go. We'll sample some of the lovely local fish and restaurants on the island. Say there's, I think there's about 200 islands in the Western Isles. We'll see the beautiful wildlife. We'll find some fantastic sunsets, as we always do on country. And the Isle of Harris and all the archipelago are famous across the world for the magnificent sandy beaches and beautiful glens, the magnificent history of the islands as well. I will be island hopping. I'll get as many islands in as I can in the archipelago of the Western Isles, in the Northern Hebrides, and see all the magical, mystical sites that we can see. Some of the black houses there as well, and all the Neolithic history, and again some of the stunning beaches on the island. This is going to be an experience, folks. I hope you all join me. We'll have some magical times. We'll do some metal detecting, magnet fishing. We'll get on the surfboard and visit all the little tiny islands. We'll go down to North Hugz, South Hugz, and down to the lower islands on the archipelago. We'll go across the glens, all the Neolithic sites. I hope you join me on this beautiful journey, folks. We're going to see some lovely wildlife as well. It's full of wildlife on Harris and Lewis, full of history. It's a really remote island, so it's going to be an experience to remember. I see some lovely seals and all the lovely wildlife across the island. And hopefully we'll get to see some killer whales as well. They do frequent the coast down here on the Western Isles. Hopefully get some of those in the videos as well. I'll try my best, as you know, and we'll find some of those magnificent. Look at this, folks. Absolutely epic beaches. So buckle up, settle down. There's going to be 50-60 videos in this series, 5-6 months, settling into the lovely island life on the Western Isles. And I'm really looking forward to this. Me, my dog Skye, in our beautiful home, Christine, experiencing life of freedom out in the wilds, total off-grid. No campsites, folks, all off-grid. We'll find some of the best locations, as we always do, in our 5-6 months travels on these wee islands. We'll get involved with the communities as well, and we'll have Christmas up here. Hopefully 1 or 2 folks will come and see me on the islands as well. And I'm really looking forward to this. Absolutely stunning. It's going to be wild. It's going to be wild. It's one of the windiest parts of the UK. To the northwest, you've got the Faroe Islands leading up to Iceland and North Canada. So it's a wild, wild, wild island. And as I say, they get some of the highest winds in the country over here in the Western Isles and Harris and Lewis, also down to Hugz as well. We're going to have some fun. So I hope you will join me, guys, on this magical experience. Don't forget to subscribe, like, push the hype button, the share button, and come and join me. Well, so there we go. It's going to be a cracking series. Thanks to Wagner and Stuart and Dawn's travels for some of those lovely clips we've done there. That's what's to come on country in the next 5-6 months. I'm still over here on the Suffolk coast. I'm going to be heading to Birmingham tomorrow, go and see the family for a couple of days, get over to the east coast, couple of stops on the way up to Glasgow, couple of stops in Galloway, then we'll go up the west coast of Scotland, as I said in the video, across the bridge to the beautiful Isle of Skye. Galloway as well as one of my winter wonderlands, which we've been to in a series. And the Isle of Skye, I think that was the first in the big Scottish series, all in my playlist. I love the Isle of Skye. So we'll stop on the Isle of Skye, we'll find a couple of favourite camps there from 4 years ago, and some camps in Galloway as well. Then we'll move across the Isle of Skye up to the north of Isle of Skye to Hugz, where we'll catch the ferry over to the Western Isles, and we're going to visit a few islands from the Western Isles, Harris and Lewis, and the islands on the archipelago. The archipelago in the Western Isles is about 120 miles long. There's 3 or 4 islands there which we're going to visit, and we're going to explore every corner, plus the little archipelago, little islands all scattered around up there. So I hope you join me, guys. It's going to be a cracker, so make sure you subscribe, give me a like, give me a share, and all the good business. Don't forget to press the hype button as well. Let's get the videos up there, and let's get this channel rocking in this new series. Are you coming? Are you ready for this one? Are you all ready for this one? It's going to be a cracker. Scottish Isles, the Western Isles, here we come. Catch you later.